What's up, Wayne Barron here with DarkFix.net, and we are inside of Microsoft Office Word 2013. This is the trial version, as you can see right there. I think it's 90 days, I believe. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be adding in a header and a footer. And also, we're going to be looking at all this space that is on each side of our document. And so let's go ahead and tackle our header and our footer, and it's really easy. It's not as difficult as you may think. So let's go ahead and create a new document, and now let's move it back up yonder. Okay, to create a header and footer, this can be done in Mac as well, so this is not restricted to Windows. This can work in Office 2010 and 2013. It may work in lower versions of Office, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, I just tested within my network here, and this right here is running off my server, and this is Office 2007, and it can also be done within 2007. So what you do here to enable the editing of your header and your footer is that you go up here to the top of your page and you double click. Whenever you double click, as you can see, you got your header there and your footer here. It also opens up your design tab for your header and your footer, and here you're able to add in all sorts of really cool effects. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump into our header, and we're going to go down here and we're going to choose from this long list here. You can also go on to more headers on office.com as well, but we're going to go ahead and choose this one right here, which is our facet even page. It's going to put it right here on to our left, but we also need one for our footer. So we go over here and we drop it down, and then we go to this one right here. Seems to look pretty good. And what it would do is whatever name that you've got embedded inside of an office that you use to register Office with, as you can see up here, it's got Wayne Barron. I'm a big Crisis fan, so I went ahead and named my computer user Crisis. Too many computers, so each one has its own name for its own system. But anyway, you can also come in and change the way your numbers are presented by choosing your page number here. You can choose it to be at the top of the page over here on your right. You can have it sitting over here, but for some reason it gets rid of your header. So I would just go ahead and prefer to leave it like that, and then you can add in, let's see here, add in some text. This is the header, and then you click out of it, and then it sort of grays it out a little bit, which is really cool. You go down here to the bottom, and you can add in some text. This is the footer, and then there you go. So that's just an easy way to add in a header and a footer. It makes your page just look a little bit more professional. And now the next thing I want to show you is that the wider your screen gets, it's like my resolution here is 1600 by 900. So I've got 1600 for my width, which makes the default, which is basically 1040, I think, which is basically what this was designed for. And so you get all this gray or black, depending on what your color scheme is. You get all this gray sitting on each side. Well, to get rid of that gray, you come down here to your zoom, and you can actually zoom in and put it near about where you want it at. And this right here would be almost about where it would need to be at for your resolution. And so let's say that you want to be able to see the entire page. then you can just scroll out like so, and then that gives you the entire page. So now you can see what the header and the footer looks like, and this is what it's going to look like whenever you print it out. So anyway, this is Wayne Barron with darkeffects.net, and this can be done in Office 2007 and up. I'm not sure about 2003. It probably is available there as well, and but I do know that I don't think it's available in 2000. If it is, post a comment in the post a comment below. Let us know. That way we will know whether or not 2000, 2003 is able to do this. But we do know that 2007 on up, as we can see right here, this is 2007. Go over here, double click, and it adds it in as well. So alright, this is Wayne Barron, darkeffects.net. Y'all have a rocking weekend. Bye bye.